Today we're in the downtown Orlando area on Nebraska. This house right behind me, beautiful home that just got listed by my friend Tiffany and Jesse at Stockworth. It's about $640,000, 4 bedrooms, it's about 3,000 square feet. I haven't even had a chance to view on the inside yet, quick little peek, but it's a beautiful house. You're pretty much right in the heart of downtown area, as close as you possibly be to downtown without spending 2 to 3 times the amount of price. So it's good to get a little change outside of Pine Hills for a little bit. So let's go check out this really nice house. So there's an open house going down right now, which is why everybody's here. Pretty much most I can say about this house at the moment, other than the fact that you can see it's really nice and it has super tall ceilings. Definitely more than we've ever put into a house. When you deal with nice houses, you get delicious cookies and fancy cold brew coffee at your open houses. Typically when we do open houses at Pine Hills, you just kind of hope that you walk out of there with everything that you came in there with in terms of your wallet and whatnot, but we'll probably edit that part out. So you get everything in there. Tiffany and Jesse from Stockworth, it's their listing. It's $639?
Yes it is.
$639,000.
2022 Nebraska Street in the heart of Orlando. You have Audubon Park, Winter Park, Mills District. You have everything right around you. So it's a great area right across from Pelou Gardens.
And pretty much if you want to be downtown, this is the best bang for your buck.
Absolutely.
The house was built 2003 too. Most houses downtown are either super old or pretty much new build. So you get a good little happy medium here without paying $1.8 million for a 3,000 square foot house.
Absolutely.
Importantly, you got awesome cookies and coffee here, so.
Gideon's Cookies and Lineage Coffee. Fabulous. If you haven't gone, it's right at Easton Market again, just minutes from the house, around the corner. And best cookies you might have ever had.
I was gonna say, you typically, I mean, you get yours sponsored by Gideon's and what is it called, Lineage?
Yeah, we have Equity Prime Mortgage giving $100 towards Domu gift card. So we have a lot of goodies here.
Our open houses in Pine Hills are typically sponsored by like Amscot and Chex Cash, but hey,
that's why you come and
they always sell.
check us out.
I know, I told her fancy cookies.